Okay, now we're going to look at day 2 for your matrices. Use the matrix below to answer the following questions. And my first question says, if PacSun sold 20% less medium shirts than Hollister, how many medium shirts did PacSun sell? So 20%, you do 20 over 100. And that gives me 0.20. That tells me the number that I'm going to multiply by. So medium shirts, Hollister, medium shirts, I'm looking at 100. So I'm going to do 100 times 0.20, and that gives me 20. Because it says 20% less, less is going to tell me to subtract that number from 100. So 100 minus 20 equals 80. So how many medium shirts did PacSun sell? They sold 80. If PacSun sold twice as many large pants as Hollister, how many large pants did PacSun sell? So I'm looking at large and pants. So I'm going to do this one. Twice means times 2. So I'm going to take the number 60 and I'm going to multiply by 2, and that gives me 120. So that tells me the large pants for PacSun. So I'm going to write the number 120 right there. Okay. Then I'm going to look at the next one. How many medium articles of clothing were sold at both stores? This word article means like pieces. And it's talking about shirts and pants. So I'm looking at medium. So for Hollister, at medium we have 100 plus 50, that equals 150. And at PacSun, medium, we have 80 and 45. So, which gives me 125. So, how many were sold at both stores? I'm going to do 150 plus 125. It gives me 275. The next one, create a matrix. So I have to do a matrix to show the change in selling from Hollister to PacSun. So change. Let's look. I started here at 75. Now I'm at 50. The change is minus 25. If I look, 75 minus 25 equals 50. So I'm going to do shirts and pants, and I have small, medium, and large. So the first one's going to be negative 25. Then I'm at 60, and I'm going all the way over to 61. What's the change? I'm going to add 1. So you'll continue 100 to 80. What's the change? Minus 20. From 50 to 45, what's the change? Minus 5. From 50 to 68, what's the change? I'm adding 18, so I'm just going to do 18. From 60 to 120, that is 16. Next one, create another matrix to show the total articles of clothing for both stores. So when we find total, we're just going to add. Okay? So you have shirts and you have pants. You have small, medium, and large. So you're going to add 75 and 50. That gives me 125. 60 and 61 gives me 121. 100 plus 80 gives me 180. 50 plus 45 gives me 95. 50 plus 68 gives me 118. And 60 plus 120 gives me 180. If Hollister makes $25 profit on each, that's an important word, shirt sold, how much profit did they make? I'm only looking at Hollister, and I'm only looking at the shirts that Hollister sold. So how many shirts? 75, 150. So when I add those, I get 5, 2, carry a 1, 225. Now, this shirt, this $25 profit on each shirt means 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. I would have to do 25, 120, I'd have to do 25, 225 times, or I can do 225 times 25. And I don't have that number in my head, so I'm going to have to multiply that out. If you have a calculator, you can just multiply that in your calculator. $5,625. This would be your final answer. Alright, good luck, guys.